15x on crazy time from the top slot. Me? That was all.
My man's spinning some bars. 15x on coin.
You got a 10x on a Pachinko.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
And I'm having a hard time keeping these alligators down. Woo! Come on, baby! Just one flapper. One final crazy time. Ladies and gentlemen, choose one of the flappers. Is it green? Is it blue? Is it yellow? I can't choose it for you. Do it by yourself, guys. Come on. Give me something big. Or, 100x is the max. So let's hope we get close to it. All right, 10x blue, guys, 50x yellow, double for Team Green. Let's see if we can bump this baby up to at least 100. 200x is the max. Come on. Oh, baby, baby, baby. It's a double-double, mama. Last crazy time with the horseman. And you're looking at a potential 400x. Come on, guys, don't jinx it. Don't you dare jinx my last spin. Oh, the horseman does it again.
This is the amount of money issued, 284,719 euros.
Well, I don't know if it was possible to finish on a better note. Guys, come on, last spin. We gotta get that number one. We gotta get that number one. Fact, guys.
No. Why would I watch movies? Yikes. 4,521 winners. Kimberly's the top winner. Why would I watch movies when I can subscribe to Pokimane and be her tier 4 subscriber? Let's go! Where are my tier 4 Pokimane subs at? Woohoo! You don't have strength to spin the wheel. Oh yeah? Well, I just made a spin, so joke's on you, Ringo. There you go, man. 3x on the crazy time. Let's get it. More XQC. Yo, chat. Yo, come on. Juicer Magooser, XQCL in the chat. We got a crazy time, everybody. Let's get crazy. Oh, what's here? It was the crazy time all along. Roro Raggy, it's crazy time. Okay, baby. Got a little top slot action, you know, something like that. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. So we're gonna multiply every segment by a 3x here. Boom! Look at that. Look at that bad boy right here. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna have to choose the flapper that you're gonna kinda count on to get you the big win. Green, blue, or yellow, make your choice. If you don't choose auto pick, we'll choose for you. So it's all good. As long as you had your bets placed on Crazy Town, you should be all right. 300x is a max multi. Let's go. 15x on 150 on green. Apologies, 75 on blue and double trouble on the yellow flapper. Oh, baby. 600x now is going to be the max multi. Yellow, I hope we get that for you, bad boy, right now. Boom! Woo! That's a 60x on yellow. Congratulations.
This is the amount of money issued 346,167 euros.
Don't you worry, Big Birda. I'm going to take care of them. Yo, what up, guys? 7,800 winners. GG with that 18,000 here. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Time for the next spin. Congratulations to all the winners. And Bing chilling. Baby, we be Bing chilling all the time. You already know it. By the way, within the last 16 spins, we have seen 1 cash rent, 3 coin flips, a single number 10, 1 number 5, 3 number 2s, and the rest of the winning numbers number 1s. But this time, we got that notorious crazy time. Woo! Let's go. Y'all ready for this? It's rabbit hunting season. Yeah, buddy! But no rabbits to be seen, so let's instead choose the flapper that you want to go for. There's 3 choices you can make: green, blue, or the yellow flapper. Choose wisely. Yeah, pick one of them, and then we'll spin the wheel. Okay, it looks like most of the people going for the blue flapper, it seems. Ladies and gentlemen, 200x is the max multi. Good luck. Woohoo! $15 on yellow, 20 on green, and 200x on blue. Congrats.
This is the amount of money issued 349,907 euros.
Hey, almost 8,000 winners there. We got LJ the top winner with a 10.4 thousand, 200x in your back pocket. Cha-ching, let's go. Time for the new spinner, baby. Hey, now we're talking. Nice. Because I was so good that they didn't want other people to feel like demoralized about like applying to the show. Like I was that much better than everybody else, all right? That's simple as that, guys. Now it's bad luck for me. I'm winning. When I'm singing, you're only winning if I'm singing. Hey, bars. My man's spinning some bars. 15x on coin flip. G. Willikers, Batman. I hope we get it. You won because they knew you are the #1 host. Exactly. You like, I could not have. Come on, just a bit more. Thank you, Mr. Gilbert. Now say thank you, Mr. Gilbert. Let's go. Very nice. Mr. Cashman. Let's see what we got. We got a 12 on blue, 3x on red, but first, multiply. We got 180 on blue, 45x on red. Please be blue, please, please, please. Okay, let me keep my cool here. You know, I'm the cool guy. Sorry. Good luck. Woo! That's why I'm the king of this thing, baby. Don't you forget it. Oh, yeah. 180x blue.
This is the amount of money issued 483,867 euros.
Taxi Man, the 3rd winner. Let's go! Oh yeah. Little Juicer Magooser. XUCL in the chat.
The Nature Kid, the Horseman, the Nature Man has gotten rusty, good people. Rusty like an old rusty chain, huh? An old rusty chain, I feel you, bye-bye. She's acting like a fool. But what about Daddy Cool? Woo! Hey, look at that. Nice. Another pachinko. Come on, baby. She's acting like a fool. What about Daddy Cool? All right, let's see a win, guys. Come on. We already had the 1000x today over here on the pachinko. Already with the 1000x, 15x, little 20x, guys. Little 100, baby. 3x. 3 ball. There we go. 300, mama. 300. Hey. We needed to go to the side in order to hit that 300. Come on, to the side, baby. Go to the left, baby. To the left. Come on. No way. Not the 6. It's not the 6. Oh, baby. And he does it again. The Rolex.
This is the amount of money issued 1,190,232 euros.
Son of a gun. I feel another chance at the stars of the absolute diamond dollars. Bring it on back, son. Bring it on back. Woo! Money. Oh, show me what you got, mama. Pachinko, the nice looking 5x, I tell you. Very nice looking 5x, I tell you. Oh, come on, baby cash. With the 13th time. Crazy time champ. It's time for the Pachinko redemption, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for the Pachinko redemption. You have waited long enough. Long enough, baby cash. Show me those beautiful dollars. Oh, starting off with a 7, going into the 10 to 15, baby cash. This 1 8 200. Get out of here. Get out of here. What is that? 1000x, mama. Look at how far up that line goes. Guys, 1000x from the horseman on his last day, huh? On his last day in crazy time. Gotta get that 1000, baby. Gotta get that 1000, mama. Oh, the horseman does it again. Woo!
This is the amount of money issued to 1,233,398 euros.
That's my goodbye gift to you guys. That is my goodbye gift to you.
Little bro, Zero, making bands, special compliments. Thank you. You can do it, dear. Yes, we can do it. See you. Who, me? La band. You are blurring me. Me? That was okay. It's gonna be 20x cash hunt. Bye-bye. Oh, come on, yes. Oh! Is this really happening? Is it a cash? Is it 20x? 20x? Oh my, I'm gonna shed a tear right now. 20x cash hunt. Oh, we have like gazillion hundreds here. Let's apply this 20x and look at this. 2K multiplier. This is gonna be our maximum multiplier. Oh, I can't. Okay, inhale, exhale, because we need to calm down a bit. But this is so far it's my favorite round. Oh my, this is huge. Okay, guys. Well, I mean, let's do our best. Okay, decision time's happening now. We need to choose a symbol of liking. Yeah, the maximum multiplier. I'll repeat myself. 2000x. Oh my. And here is the board. I just simply cannot keep my eyes off this. I want to look at this board for.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,403,774 euros.
Yo, guys! This is huge! Congratulations and compliments. No, really, my eyes are misty! Congratulations! Yo! Wow, my heart is about to stop.
The next round. Sorry, Emily, you don't have to defend me or anything. We got Nicole in the top with his 342 euro win. Let's sum it up now. Let us see what is next. What is good in a hood. Alright, well, top slot. We got a 10x on a Pachinko. 10x on Pachinko, which actually could be approaching. Hold it. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I did not expect to have something like that in my 20-minute session. It's a 10x Pachinko. 10x Pachinko. 10x Pachinko. 10x Pachinko. 10x. It's a 10x Pachinko. I repeat, it's a 10x Pachinko. Let's see the multipliers. You got a 2x, a 2, 5, a 7, 10, 15, 20, 35, 50. Let's apply the 10x real quick. So max is 500x. Max is 500x. Alright? I'm not gonna get too hype until we see what we get, right? Let's see what we get and then I'm gonna get hype. Depending if we get something good. Alright, let's see. 500x, that's the max we could get. Above a hundos, you know, but oh no, don't go to that side. Don't go to that side. Yeah, we'll take it. 150x Pachinko. Congratulations, beautiful. I'll see you back.
This is the amount of money issued 113,313 euros.
This is top of the 10k you will win. Anyways, congratulations, my friends. Let's sum it up. Well, that's that. That's that. Got my big win. Can we get more?
Place your bets if you want to participate in the next round. Highest win is 400x on cash hands. As crazy time was 25x for all flappers. $15x on crazy time from the top slot. Whoa! It's crazy time! Let's go! 15x top slot! Let's go! Pick a flapper, green, blue, or yellow. Most of you are choosing the blue flapper. $1,500x is the highest. Let's go. Unbelievable! 1,500x for yellow flapper.
This is the amount of money issued 513,229 euros.
Unbelievable! Hey, who chose the yellow flapper? Tell me. Who chose the yellow flapper?